Hey friends, hope you're doing well and staying safe. Um, I have something very special for my interceptor today, right? So one such mod which every interceptor owner would love to do, but are afraid to do. So that's the kind of mod this is. Afraid in the sense not related to a safety issue for the vehicle, or vehicle might get damaged or something like that, but it's a calculated upgrade what each one of us want to do. Any cases? Performance air filter? No. Performance plugs? No. Yes, my friends, it's going to be performance exhaust, and none other than AEW 102, right? So that's the exhaust I'm going to install. To start with, I have my friend here, Yogesh. Hey,
Hey
Yogesh,
guys,
how are you?
I'm doing good.
Good, good, exciting.
Yeah.
So I invited Yogesh over so that he can help me out and we can together jointly install this 102 SS 102 exhaust, the best one. What do you get from Ashu Engineering Works, AEW, Pune. I'm sure you all would have heard how this exhaust sounds with dB, without dB. So without wasting any time, let's go ahead, unbox this, and then unmount the stock and get going with the installing the AEW exhaust onto the bike. At the unboxing, it's from what I've heard and what I've seen in terms of the packaging, what comes from AEW, it's very very well packed and absolutely no scope for anything to get damaged over here. So from that point of view, don't have to be worried. Just let's ensure we take this out carefully. I think there is a receipt here which I would want to probably take it off, and so that I don't damage it, right? So all right, so there comes out the receipt in an envelope. So yeah, so well, my friends, I ordered this of course after seeing a lot of reviews on the YouTube, and I ordered this directly from AEW. Mr. Shakil, who is the owner, I had a word with him, and he had this dispatched to me on Tuesday, and I received it yesterday, which was Thursday. So flat 3 days I got this from Pune to Bangalore. So let me get this down, and they're packed very tightly actually, so I'm not sure if I can lift it up, but let me try. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so this is how the exhaust is packed, extremely well secured. And I would want to check the weight of these exhausts and compare it with the stock ones. Once I open this up, I have my weighing scale over there, so we're going to do that as well. That's the weighing scale for us. All right. So let me get this off. So this is the level of packaging, my friends. This is the level of packaging. I don't think anything can ever get damaged in such a packaging, right? So extremely well packed. So I just need to be careful in terms of when I go ahead and unpack this one. So a lot of packaging stuff, lot of packaging here.
provided Allen key?
Yeah, there is Allen key as well to install and uninstall your DB killers on the fly. So I would recommend to have this Allen key as part of your toolkit or even in the pocket. It's extremely small and easy to store. So definitely have it because it's very important tool here. All right. So my friend, I ordered this directly from the factory, as I said, so not through any dealers. And let's see the fit and finish of the product once I open this one. Okay, so my friends, this is how it looks. It's a brushed steel finish with I think it's a 304 stainless steel, and should not get any kind of rust, etc. And if you could see these the weld finishes, extremely well finished and neat engineering here. It says AW India, and I think this is the some model number or batch, and then awindia.co.in, and this is the kind of bolt what's provided, and this is the cover, just to make sure it is more seamless, and the welding also is very neatly done. You cannot just make out anything. And in terms of weight, I feel it is about not too light, not too heavy. I feel it's about maybe 2 kilos. Let me check it out. No, my weighing scale wouldn't measure that. So let me go ahead and stand on the weighing scale. Oh, it's not on the level ground as well. So let me go ahead and stand. So I weigh about 76.8. Let me see what I weigh now with the exhaust. So guys, 76.8 and 79.6. So round about 76.8 and 79.6. So 2.8. So 2.8 kilos is each exhaust, which is not too light, not too heavy, and extremely. I'm happy that this comes with a ceramic construction inside, and the advantage of this would be it would not heat up like how the stock exhaust heats up. That's very, very important, right? So if it heats up, if your pillion is sitting, it will burn the shoes, legs, and whatnot, right? So this is how it is. Let me leave this aside, and let's power the bike, and let me show you how my bike sounds with the stock exhaust, and then we are going to go ahead get this unmounted. It's very simple. You just need to get off this bolt. It's again 12 mm, and there is one bolt behind which is again 12 mm spanner. You just need two 12 mm spanners for getting these exhaust off the bike, and it's going to be it's very easy. You can just do it at home. So yeah, let's power it on. So this is how it sounds in the idling. It's a stock bike, no modification, no performance air filter, nothing. Let me rev it. Sounds lovely, isn't it, my friends? It's going to sound even better now after the exhaust. So yeah, so without wasting time, let's go ahead unmount this, and then we shall weigh the stock exhaust on the weighing scale, and then go ahead and work on installing the performance exhaust. So we've taken off the stock exhaust. As you can see, there's nothing here and nothing on the other side also. So we've taken that off. So now we're going to power it on and see how the bike sounds without the exhaust, right? It's going to be really loud. Oh my god! Sounds amazing! Okay guys, let me turn it off, otherwise my neighbors are going to be very very upset with me. So let's not do that. Let's be good neighbors. Alright, so now let's go ahead and weigh the stock exhaust. How much each one weighs. These are like dumbbells guys, so you can do exercise and build your body, right? So you can do all of that. So I was let me see, go back again. Oh, I think I'm not on the level ground. Okay, let me come back. Alright, so it says 77.8, 77.6. So now with the exhaust, oh my god, I'm 82.9. So 77 to 82. So it is 5.2 kilos. Guys, each exhaust is 5.2 versus the AEW, which is 2.8, right? So it's almost difference of we are going to reduce about close to 5 to 6 kilos on the bike. So that's a big difference. So we're done with installing the AEW exhaust. They look very beautiful on the bike, as you can see, right? The matte finish really is going really well on the bike, right? And this is totally seamless, covering the joint here, right? So with that, let me go ahead and power on the bike and show you how the bike sounds with the baffles, right? So this is at idle at this point. So this is how the bike sounds at idle. Now I'm going to go ahead and rev it to 2500 RPM. That was 2500 RPM. Now let me go to 4000 RPM. So now we are going to go ahead and take off the baffles and then show you the real sound of this amazing exhaust. So I've got these baffles out of the exhaust. So it's just a very small Allen key what has been provided, and also the Allen key is provided. Just you need to loosen 2 threads and the baffle comes out this way. So I've just taken off the baffles and I'm going to power on the bike and show you guys how the bike sounds without the baffles. Again, we are going to do idling 2500 RPM and 4500 RPM. This is idling. this is very addictive. This is very, very addictive, and I am loving this twice as much more without the baffles. But I need to figure out how I am going to manage the traffic cops here. But yeah, since you all know I have multiple bikes for multiple use cases, multiple rides. So I think I'm going to toggle between them depending on my ride and where I ride and how I ride, which context, etc. Blah blah blah. So right now I'm going to let this be without the baffles, and I'm going to run it for a couple of days, and I'm going to post my feedback after a couple of days of riding, and update you all how it's sounding and how the feel is, how the bike rides with the performance exhaust like AEW 102. So please stay tuned, and thank you for watching. Do let me know in case of any questions, comments, and suggestions. And big thanks to my friend Yogesh for helping me out in getting this installed this afternoon. And it's been a really fruitful afternoon for us, and to hear this lovely, amazing sound. And I will now probably go take a short spin here, and then you can hear the flyby,
Yeah.
possibly, right? So let's try and do that. Quick flyby with the baffle inside. So you can see baffles are inside. Alright, so this was a short flyby on along with the baffle. As you can see that it is not as loud, not as bassy, but it is definitely say about 30 to 40% more than the stock exhaust, right? So the fun is when the baffles are off, my friends, always remember. But I think it cannot be used without the baffles all the time, but yeah, you need to pick and choose when you want to use baffles and when you want to have that real raw sound of performance exhaust. friends, it's an amazing feeling. Amazing feeling. If you have an interceptor, you definitely should have AEW 102 exhaust. Otherwise, you are not really doing justice to your interceptor, not to yourself. That's my statement. So definitely, you should try it out, and of course, with the caveat that this is not street legal in India. So you got to be careful. You got it's at your own risk. So yeah, that's pretty much, my friends. I'll share more feedback about this in my subsequent motor vlogs. But as of now, this is how it is, and thank you so much for watching again. Really appreciate your time. Take care of yourselves, and thank you again. Do let me know in case of your any questions. Happy to answer, and any help I can extend. Do let me know. Thank you.